Hello, everyone. We are in our final 2 weeks of first grade. It's kind of crazy to think that you are almost second graders. So, we are going to still work hard these last 2 weeks, just like you would if you were at school. And we are going to get some math skills mastered. So, today we're going to look at adding 2 digit plus 2 digit. So that means we're going to take that double digit number, the tens and ones, and add it to another double digit number, tens and ones. Today we are not going to be doing any regrouping. So you won't have to make a new group of 10. We're just going to kind of get used to adding up our ones, adding up our tens, and getting some of those larger numbers that we will see in second grade. So you will need something to write on and something to write with for this math lesson today. Go ahead and get those things, and if you're ready to start, let's start. And if you forgot those things, make sure you push pause and then come back to me. All right, so we're going to get started. One thing that's going to be really important is that you are using your place value knowledge. So you have to make sure you remember what numbers represent my groups of 10 and what numbers represent my ones. Because when we are adding, we want to add the same values together. We want to add the ones together with the other ones and the tens with the other tens. Here's what I mean about that. When we have a number like 32 plus 21, we want to make sure that we're lining it up really closely so that all of our ones are right underneath each other and our tens are underneath each other. That's going to make it easier for us to actually add up our 2-digit numbers. So just like when we're regrouping, we want to add the ones first, followed by the tens. So we're going to look at our one side. We've got 2 ones plus 1 1, which equals 3 ones. And then on our 10 side, we have 3 groups of 10 plus 2 groups of 10, which is 5 groups of 10. So if we look at our answer is 53. So 32 plus 21 is 53. All right, let's do one more as a practice, and then I'm going to give you a few for you to work on yourself. Let's start off with 46 plus 33. So 46 plus 33. Now if we look here, our 6 and our 3 represent our ones. So we're going to add those together first. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 4 plus 3 is 7. So your answer is 79. All right, I'm going to give you 3 problems for you to work on, and you're going to make sure you line them up so that it's a little bit easier for you to do your addition. So go ahead and write these yourself, or if you can do them from just looking at the video and write the answers, but I do want you solving these problems. The first one is 15 plus 23. (24) plus 55. And then 41 plus 48. Again, if you want to draw your lines separating the tens and the ones, tens and ones, tens and ones, go ahead and do that. I'm going to give you a few seconds to work on these problems, and then we'll check it out. right, if you still need some more time, that's totally fine. Just go ahead and pause the video, finish up your answers, and then push play again so that we can see how great you did. So let's check it out for those who are ready to go. Here we have 5 plus 3, which is 8. And 1 plus 2, which is 3. Our next one, let's do our ones first. So we have 4 plus 5 is, and 2 plus 5 is 79. And here we have 8 and 1 more, which is, and 4 plus 4, 89. How many of you got at least one correct? 2? All 3? High five it. All right. So today is a quick lesson. When you are adding 2-digit plus 2-digit numbers, the main thing to focus on is making sure you're adding the ones together and then the tens together. Because sometimes we're going to get more ones that make a group of 10. And so we want to do that first. All right, so when we're doing our 2-digit addition, we want to make sure that we are lining up our numbers so that our ones are stacked and our tens are stacked, and then we can get the problem correct because we're adding the same value together. All right, I can't wait to see you here tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.